The Liberal government's revival of the controversial court challenges program will be expanded to include additional charter rights on top of equality and language rights. The new program to fund court challenges will include cases based on freedom of religion, freedom of democratic rights, and right to liberty and security. According to a department official, who briefed reporters Tuesday, all funding decisions will be made by two independent bodies, whose members will be selected through an open, transparent, and merit-based model that mirrors governor and council appointments. Speaking at a press conference on Parliament Hill Tuesday, Heritage Minister Mlaini Jolie said the new approach will ensure its independence, integrity and longevity of the program. Justice Minister Jody Wilson-Raybould said the renewed program will ensure that the government promotes access to justice for Canadians who need it the most, adding that Canada's justice system will need to continue to evolve. The promise to restore the program, which was scrapped by the Stephen Harper Conservatives in 2006, was included in the 2015 Liberal campaign platform and the mandate letters for Jolie and Wilson-Raybould. Wilson-Raybould noted past successes from the scrapped program. The previous court challenges program supported people from vulnerable and marginalized groups and official language minority communities to challenge the compliance of Canadian laws with the Constitution. It gave them a voice in defining what their constitutional rights mean. It was, in part, responsible for such landmark decisions as Daniels, which clarified the relations of MTIs and non-status Indians with the federal government, Wilson-Raybould said. Pardeep Singh Negra, a boxer who successfully fought a ban against competing with a beard in court, told reporters that the court challenges program isn't just about the individual, but all of Canada as well. It wasn't about me, it was about making my country, Canada, better. As athletes, when we represent Canada, we represent the maple leaf. We are ambassadors of those values, the values of diversity and equity, he said. Singh Negra said the court access the program's grants allows marginalized people and groups to get off the sideline and into the game. The program, which dates back to 1978, also played a role in the fight for same-sex marriage. The 2016 budget earmarked $12 million in new funding over 5 years, which would bring the annual program budget up to $5 million annually when combined with existing spending on ongoing cases that the Conservatives had committed to fund through completion. During Tuesday's briefing, the department official noted that in the first year of the new program, a maximum of 20% of the budgeted $5 million will go to administrative costs. Before being shut down, the program's budget was $2.8 million. An earlier version of the program was scrapped by former Prime Minister Brian Mulroney's Progressive Conservative government in 1992, then brought back 2 years later by former Prime Minister Jean Chrétien's Liberal government. In a message in the CCP's 2006-2007 annual report after the program was cancelled, former board chair Guy Matt lamented on the job of presiding over the dismantling of a program that had repeated evaluations, and that a majority of Canadians found to be effective, useful and efficient.